everyone, welcome to my channel Swapna Simplify. So today I am going to take you to a picnic spot in Guwahati and I will let you know all the details soon, and also I'm going to review this picnic spot for you. I'm going to show you what all we are going to do there. I hope you will love this this video. So keep showing me your love and keep showing me your support. So these two are also all set to rock the picnic and they're all ready. And see this little guy. So we are going today to Patek's picnic spot, which is in Mulkata, Assam. Lots of greenery, as you can see. It's so beautiful out there, and you can see we have beautiful rice paddy field here, and we have stopped here to just take a short break. So I just had a small walking. Wow. So we are going to cook here. Oh, you're making chili chicken.
Chili chicken. So we have brought the chicken from the city.
Okay.
And just now washing the chicken.
Mm.
This is the natural flow. You know, the supply water.
Oh, is it?
It's coming from the mountain.
Oh.
Spring water.
Hey, do not.
It's not open here.
Touch me not. So the moment you touch it, it will shrink. It's beautiful. We have all the facilities here, as you can see: wash basin, toilets, bathrooms, and everything. And we have a tree house there. So guys, if you want to come in a natural spot, this is a best place. And if you are a nature lover and you appreciate greenery around your picnic spot, you should definitely visit this place. very eco-friendly, as you can see. So guys, this place reminds me of my childhood days where we had no fancy toys but open fields to play, run, play and enjoy our childhood. So this place so much reminds me of my childhood days in my native place, Kerala. So yeah, I'm loving this place and kids are also having a good time running around. This is a great picnic spot, I should say. My husband to the rescue, helping us chop all the... Guarantee क्या है मछली मिलेगा?
बाजार में क्यों नहीं मिलेगा?
तो guys, I have already marinated chicken for the chicken chili. Rest all this chef will look after. So we are... What is in here?
We are boiling the pork.
Oh, you're boiling the pork. Okay, great.
Fry it. Onion, garlic and tomato.
Yeah. It's going to be nice. And it's very hot. But later, I think after some time, things will get better and the climate will also be favorable. Very soothing to come here. So guys, as you can see, I'm just having a very relaxing time. So this is a very nice place to have a break from your so-called city life. So I'm really enjoying a very good time here, and this is spring water that you can see, and it is very pure. You can even use it as your drinking water, and here the people uses this water as their drinking water, so it is very nice. So yeah, I'm just having some me time here and feeling really nice and escaping from the hot weather. This is a very good break.
Welcome here, it's an awesome place. I'm sure everybody will like this YouTube video. Sure.
what is for lunch? Can you just say in my
This is chicken from Sapnagi, Chef Sapnagi. This is fish, chili chicken, my one. This is bangan batta, dal and rice.
Did you like it? So guys, as usual, I'm on diet, so I'm not eating anything. But as you can see, everyone is enjoying their meal.
Diamond.
So guys, we are having lots of fun. It's evening now and we are almost come to the end of this day, but we are still having lots of fun.